controls, it will display at the top. We'll see here in this example where it will be displayed. Okay, so I'm executing right now. Our coding is completed, the basic coding of the first example. In fact, we are going to do some couple of examples of cookie. So the first example, the basic example, is nothing but just trying to store some information in cookie and using it in a new page, different page. Okay, let's see. Default.aspx executing. Now see, what if I did not provide any information, and where that a response.write cookie will be executed is nothing but this will append the information. This control, it will be the position of this control will be automatically changed. Okay, I am saying submit. So when I say submit, you can see it says please enter username. This control's position has automatically changed. So response.redirect method automatically renders the text at the top of the page. Okay, fine. Now let's give some information. Okay, I'm passing some information. I'm writing some text and saying submit. So when I say submit, it will be the cookie will be created. In that cookie, the value will be stored, this name will be stored, and it will redirect to some page. In that page, I am using this value. Okay, submit. What happened? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. So we have not set the instance of an object of the cookie. I think so. Okay, response.cookies.add. Add, we need to say, we need to add the cookie object. Okay, cookie with this line. In response, this cookie will be added to the cookie collection, HTTP cookie collection. This object will be added and I can use in the next page. I think I passed mark, submit, welcome mark. In the default to page, I am displaying the value. What is entered in default page text box. Okay, so here we have used the value of cookie in a new web form, default 2. Similarly, I can say default 3, I can use that value. So this cookie I can consider right now is a non-persistent cookie because it does not have any expiration. When I close the browser, that cookie will be erased automatically. The cookie information will be erased. This is non-persistent cookie. How I can say that? Because expires, we have not given the property expires. And it will not create any cookie file, text file. It will not be created in the client machine. Hope you have got this example. Okay, request.cookies of that particular cookie name dot value, retrieving here. Anything? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Cookie will be stored as a text file in the browser.
No. Cookie information will be destroyed.
Cookie information will be stored as text file as in browser.
No. When I say create this cookie for some duration, at that time the cookie will be created in a client machine. In a client machine, a text file will be created. In the text file, the value of this text will be there. Okay, so I have not given something like cookie dot expires equals to datetime dot now dot add days 1 day. For 1 day, this information will be there in the client machine. Now the file will be created in the client machine. Now the file will be created. Now I can say this cookie is a permanent cookie. How I can say permanent? Because a file will be created in the client machine with this property expires.
Except that I don't use this cookie dot expire. This particular cookie will not be stored on the client machine.
No,
Right?
no, yeah.
And one more question. Supposing we created we use this expire,
Mm.
uh, created a cookie and it's stored in the client machine.
Mm.
And for instance, somebody went and changed the encrypted the part of the cookie.
Mm.
Uh, but still, can I delete that cookie by calling expire cookie?
Yeah, you can delete the cookie, but the value what the user has modified, you will be retrieve that value only. You can get that value only.
It doesn't affect the cookie, or it doesn't. It does allow you to delete it either way.
Either way, either way, we can modify, we can delete it. So it means the point here, the cookie does not provide any security. Okay, it does not provide any security because a client can easily modify or delete the cookie file.
Can you please repeat again?
Yeah, a client, suppose as a developer I know where is the location of this cookie it has created. I will go to that location. If the value was fuzzle, I will change the value over there in text file.
So it's only the cookie name that is required. Even if the encrypted data is changed, it doesn't matter.
No,
The
no, no.
cookie can be deleted anyway.
Yeah.
So all the cookies are stored in a specific location.
Yes. In C drive it will be. See here. Right now I am giving some information of the cookie. So suppose this is a cookie file right now. Okay. Now it will have some value. Domain it will have. What is the domain? Localhost. Okay. That value 23272. Something. This will be the domain. Value. What will be the value? Steve. Okay, some encrypted data will be there here. Okay, but easily I can see the value in the cookie file. I can modify here. I can destroy anything over here. Everything I can delete and modify. Next time when the browser is trying to retrieve that information will be not retrieved. If it is retrieved, means modified information will be retrieved. Now dot add, say milliseconds, no seconds is there, yeah, add seconds. For 10 seconds I am saying, for 10 seconds I can use this information. Okay, this now property is having so many methods, like add years is there, any integer value it will take, add months, minutes, add hours. Okay, so I have said add 10 seconds. Let's see what is happening right now. For 10 seconds that information will be available to me or until the browser session.
So this 10 seconds are counted from the time I run the application.
No, at the time of creation.
Okay.
Okay, at the time of creation, when I click on button control.
Alright. That's
Okay,
when the 10 seconds.
yeah, from there onwards the time will start. Oops, I commented this part. No, no. Yeah, okay, fine. Now let's see. You can see the value over here. So until the browser session you can see this, but for 10 seconds. 10 seconds, after 10 seconds if you reload the page or if you refresh the page, means that information cannot be retrieved from the cookie. I am reloading, you can see it. It says it means that in fact it is not available. The information whatever you are retrieving is not available because it is destroyed. The cookie information is destroyed after 10 seconds. Getting? Fine, let's move. So we have this example, get cookie, set cookie, that we'll do it before this. This I want to consider as a third example. Second example we'll do. So one more important point, cookie dictionary. A cookie which has many subkey value pairs is called as cookie dictionary. Okay, like in the case here I'll say what will be the cookie dictionary. Cookie of profile of name equals to some value. Same thing. Email just hold for a while, I am getting a call here. हेलो, वालेकुम सलाम. हाँ बोल रहा हूँ. क्या? हाँ वही आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? ग्रीन फोर्ट की कॉलेज से. अच्छा. ठीक है, आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट भेजूँ क्या आपको? We are doing for the real time. It's a real time requirement which is nothing but remember me option. Okay, so this is going to be example login demo using cookies. So let's create a page. I'll add a new web form here. Login.spx. Here let me just make use of these controls within a div.